Hello guys and welcome to Elexhub YouTube channel. Another day, another tutorial from Elexhub Engineering Department. Ang tatalakayan natin ngayon ay kung ano ang turbidity sensor at kung paano ito gamitin gamit ang Arduino Uno R3. Ang turbidity ay sukat kung gaano kalabo ang tubig. Ito ay karaniwang dulot ng dirt, algae, or microorganism sa tubig. It is measured in nephelometric turbidity units. TS-300B ang model ng turbidity sensor na gagamitin natin for this project. This consists of two parts. Ito ang turbidity sensor. Ang loob nito ay binubuo ng infrared LED and phototransistor. Iniilawan ng LED ang tubig at ang ilaw sa tubig ay dinedetect ng phototransistor. The dirtier the water, the less light is transmitted and the sensor produces a current signal that corresponds to the turbidity level. The turbidity sensor module converts the current signal output by the sensor into a voltage signal and performs analog to digital conversion. This comes with two output. Digital output, either high or low, when the detected turbidity level reach a certain threshold. Analog output, ranging from 0 to 1023 for more advanced turbidity level detection. This also comes with sensitivity level adjustment knob. Karaniwan itong ginagamit sa quality monitoring system for water or oil, washing machine at dishwasher. Para naman sa wiring connection ng turbidity sensor module at Arduino Uno R3, mula sa turbidity sensor to module, i-connect ang red wire sa pin 1, i-connect ang blue wire sa pin 2, at ang huli ay i-connect ang yellow wire sa pin 3. Mula naman sa turbidity sensor module to Arduino Uno R3, i-connect ang ground sa ground pin, i-connect ang analog output sa analog pin 0, i-connect ang digital output sa digital pin 2, at ang huli ay i-connect ang VCC sa 5V pin. Tumungo naman tayo sa sketch ng Arduino Uno R3. Define the connected digital and analog pins of turbidity sensor as well as variable to store the reading from the sensor. Proceeding to setup function, initialize the serial monitor for debugging and logs. Proceeding to loop function, read the analog output from the sensor, convert the read value to voltage using this formula, print the turbidity value and calculated voltage to the serial monitor. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating project. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa tutorial na ito. To learn more, subscribe to Elexhub YouTube channel. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!